So it's different for every person. So I really started working a lot on brand. I started working with my team on brand, with my customers on brand. Like, I want to recognize that life is hard for people for many different reasons, and laundry is another thing that makes life hard. And so how do we make people's life easier and better? And so that's what I just started. I tried doing that. Whether it's kind of fun painting on a wall, or just a friendly, like, hello when you come in, or feeling safe and included when you come in, like that is what I worked on.
I feel like that's just like a mic drop. We should just wrap up right now. Like, that was awesome. Yeah. No, seriously, like, that is so cool. I wrote down, I want people to feel better when they leave than when they came in. I thought that was like, dude, if that's your end goal, like, you cannot fail. Like, if that's everything that you're working towards, like, you cannot fail.